Hello guys, what's up? How are you all? So today I'm back with my another talk show about something which I'm feeling, but today it's not about me. It's about something else. But before I begin, I want to wish you all the happy Farmers Day because today is Farmers Day and I want to say thanks to all the farmers of our India. Last week I have watched the finale show of Churiya Chali Gaon on ZTV, which was won by Anita Hasnandani, and she was a truly deserving winner for me. I don't know, guys, have you seen it or not? But let me tell you, it's a must-watch show because it comes a very innovative concept that we can't miss. In this show, 11 girls came from a city like Mumbai to live in a village of MP to live for 2 months, and some are known persons and some are not. Some are from Dubai, some are very known actresses or influencers, someone is Jackie Shroff's daughter. They left their privileged life to live in a rural life, to experience rural life through the show. And in this show they did lot of things I think they have never did in their lives before, and they have experienced so much. They understood the village routines from morning to night. They understood the emotions of villagers when they live with them. So they basically lived with gaonwalas and came to know that how they are living with limited necessities, hence peaceful life. In the beginning, it was so difficult for them to adapt a village life. Of course, they are from metro cities, so it was so difficult to them. But gradually, they started to feel how gaonwalas are very simple and kind. How can they easily make some unknown person of part of their family? Then they started connecting with them and listening their life struggles and stories, and starting helping them with financially. They did everything a villager do in their daily life to win the task, to perform the task. I think for me, Choriyan Chali Gaon is a great Indian TV reality show that has come across after so much long time, and from which our generation and future generations can understand the value of our villages, so they can connect our roots, that how their ancestors lived this rural life and peaceful life. Our Gen Zs will not do this you kind of stuff. I also come from a village, and it's not a shame to accept it that I'm from village. I truly know the value of villages and farmers because today we are eating only because of farmers, and we should all thank you to all the farmers of our India. So I wanna say loud my quote which I wrote about farmers. मेरे गांव के खेत की मिट्टी से पलता है तेरे शहर का पेट। मेरे गांव के खेत की मिट्टी से पलता है तेरे शहर का पेट। कैसे सजा देता है वो बंजर जमीन को हरियाली में, कैसे सजा देता है वो बंजर जमीन को हरियाली में। एक बार गांव आकर उसकी जिंदगी जी कर देगा। हैप्पी फार्मर्स डे।